end of 2024 approaches and the anticipation for 2025 grows, crypto enthusiasts are keen to identify the top-rated cryptos for January. Analysts have spotlighted 4 cryptocurrencies: Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Polkadot, and the emerging BlockDAG. With the market demonstrating a resurgence in strength, now presents a strategic time to consider these cryptocurrencies. Whether you're new to the crypto market or well-versed in the market dynamics, these 4 options could critically influence your portfolio in the upcoming year. 1. BlockDAG, emerging crypto poised for substantial growth. BlockDAG, BDAG, has rapidly gained attention in the crypto community while it remains in the pre-sale stage. With over $173.5 million collected and more than 17.6 billion units distributed across 45 batches, this project is quickly gaining momentum. This structured pre-sale ensures wide accessibility and equitable participation. Currently, units in batch 26 are offered at just $0.0234, with early participants from batch 1 experiencing an ROI of 2,240%. This significant growth signals a rising demand for BDAG, positioning it as a top contender among the top-rated cryptos for January 2025. As BlockDAG nears its mainnet launch in 2025, market experts are optimistic about its pricing prospects. By 2025, it is anticipated that BlockDAG's price could reach $1, providing substantial returns for early participants. These projections indicate BlockDAG's potential to become a leading entity in the crypto market. Looking ahead to 2030, specialists predict a price of $30 for BlockDAG, supported by its expanding community, consistent advancements, DAG technology, and strategic expansion plans. With such favorable forecasts and solid groundwork, BlockDAG stands out not only as a top crypto to watch in January 2025 but also as a significant prospect for long-term growth in the crypto market. 2. Dogecoin, the spotlight on a popular meme coin. Dogecoin continues to garner significant attention as the people's crypto, supported by endorsements from high-profile personalities like Elon Musk and rumored backing from Bill Gates. Despite a recent decrease in price to approximately $0.289 USD, Dogecoin maintains a market cap of $42.6 billion, demonstrating its staying power. While reaching a $1 value might appear challenging, the strong community and sustained interest lay a robust foundation for its potential growth. Dogecoin remains a vital pick among the top-rated cryptos for January 2025 for those looking to broaden their crypto assets. 3. Shiba Inu, emerging challenger in the meme coin arena. Shiba Inu, often dubbed the Dogecoin killer, continues to carve a niche for itself within the cryptocurrency community. As of 26 December, Shiba Inu's valuation stands at roughly $0.0000262 with a market capitalization of about $11.7 billion. Its pricing has shown volatility, but the general sentiment about Shiba Inu remains optimistic. Achieving a higher valuation like $1 could be a long-term endeavor, yet its strategic plan and community backing position it as a compelling crypto to monitor closely as we move into 2025. 4. Polkadot, pioneering innovations in decentralized tech. Polkadot presents itself as a prominent figure in the decentralized application sector with its price at about $6.97 and a market valuation near $10 billion. Its distinctive architecture that facilitates interoperability across diverse blockchains makes it a critical player in decentralized applications. The growing embrace of Polkadot, supported by a robust developer community, underscores its long-term growth potential. Analysts suggest that by 2030, Polkadot could surpass a $25 valuation due to its sophisticated technology and increasing prominence in the blockchain domain. Strategic Crypto Selections for 2025. As the new year approaches, the quest for the top-rated cryptos in January 2025 highlights 4 noteworthy options: BlockDAG, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Polkadot. Each offers distinctive benefits, from Dogecoin's extensive community support to Shiba Inu's ambitious growth plans and Polkadot's advanced technological framework. Among these, BlockDAG distinguishes itself with its early-stage accessibility and significant growth prospects, marking it as a crypto to watch diligently. Whether diversifying an existing portfolio or initiating a journey into the crypto market, these 4 cryptos represent opportunities to engage with the next significant wave in the industry.